Good evening. This is Kyla P. Yanola from BAN 1B. So, what is the difference between the traditional approach and the lifespan approach in human development? Based on what I understand, the difference between the traditional approach and the lifespan approach in human development is that the traditional approach nag-focus lang dyan sa significant changes occurring from birth to adolescence with minimal changes, like gamay ra ang change or wala jud siya change during our adulthood. But the lifespan approach naman recognizes that development ang iyang development nag-continuous lang throughout our adulthood, like nagpadayon lang, and it emphasizes ongoing growth and change at all life